welcome to Hamsa Center. After a long time with me, Gangothri Yogin, I am back with my new video and opening for viewers. Like again. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's begin.
Flexibility is not easy thing, but you want to practice lot for that. Before that, don't lose your patience. Pain will come, don't worry about it at all. Enjoy your pain. And one more thing, no pain, no gain. The pain you feel today will be a strength you feel tomorrow. You know, pain is not a permanent, it is a temporary. Enjoy your pain and first of all, love your practice and definitely yourself fall in love with your practice.
Okay, number one exercise to free our head. It's a stand like this. Okay, this like the hands in Namaste Sthiti. Just bend backward. Okay, like this. Bend backward. Just do enjoy. Do enjoy. Just enjoy practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more thing, don't bend your knees. The knees should be straight. 4 and 5. Relax, okay? This exercise is one of my favorite exercise, and inflexibility for me is just when I practice inflexibility is my happiness. Wow! Naturally my hip is little flexible, so I feel really happy to practice inflexibility exercises. Okay, next second exercise. Wide your legs, hands on your head, slowly bend and straight your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then hold up. Okay, opposite direction. Lock your head, slow down, shake your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this is it. Number 3, the third exercise we did now, Malasana. Slowly up, hands on the floor. Wide your legs slightly and show on this side. Slide leg open, okay? Hold. For beginners, they can't able to touch their palms down, so they can use a bricks. Okay? If they can possible from to this side, means they can use a bricks like this. Or they feel relaxed, so they can use the bricks. Okay, I am show you without any using of bricks. Okay, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't bend your knees like this. Okay, if you bend your knees like this, there is no work on your hip. Your hip is something like a strange thing. It won't allow practice for your flexibility. So you want to do a proper practice. You must do proper practice. For that, you don't want to bend your knees, okay? If you can possible, go underneath your feet. Okay, like these, okay? Like this. This movement. Okay? This is a very easy practice. You can make easily with your joy. Okay, let's continue our 4 exercise. Ardha Chakrasana, come on. The 4th exercise is Ardha Chakrasana. Lock your hip like this, okay? Like this. Touch your thumb finger, okay? Join your feet, okay? Just move your chest forward. Move your chest forward like this. Press your hands backward. Slowly down. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly up. In this posture also you don't want to bend your knees, okay? Your knees should be straight. And the sixth exercise is similar to chakrasana, slightly wide your legs, okay? This much. I'm turning this side and slowly down Ardha Chakrasana. Lift your right hand. Slowly up. Relax. Ardha Chakrasana. Opposite side, okay? Just 2 minutes, you want to relax. Slowly down. Raise the chest. Push your hip forward. Left hand up. Relax. Okay? This is such a little much difficult, but if you wish to do, you can get easy. Okay, next one is Adho Mukha Svanasana. The Adho Mukha Svanasana is really a benefited asana. It's not for a benefit, it's for a hip flexibility. It's also a number of list of benefits in Adho Mukha. I just told you for one, if you feel tired, means just go and do Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. If for 1 minute means get completely relaxed, and my favorite posture also this is. Okay, let's begin Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay, hands wide. Up slightly wide your knees. Okay, don't wide your knees so much. Press your legs, stretch your knees, belly sucking. Absorb your inhalation and exhalation. Your breath is a god. Your body is a temple. If your breath gone, everything is gone. Relax. And I will show the one mistake in Adho Mukha. It's really a common, but we see it as a non-mistake. So I will show you a mistake. It's just similar to correct, but it is a wrong. I will show it on this. Legs, hands like these. Okay. Legs like this. This like, okay. This is a bad Adho Mukha. Okay. Stretch your knees and press. This is a perfect. Okay. Don't do the wrong Adho Mukha. Just do the correct one and enjoy it. And the next exercise is Adho Mukha walk forward. Okay. I am using my bricks. Adho Mukha walk. Walk. Knee should be straight. Walk. Okay. Press forward. And walk. Slow walk. Okay. Don't walk fast. Okay. Slow walk. Hold and walk. Hold. Up and down. Up and down. Relax. And the next one is Asana. Okay, just start from Adho Mukha. Okay, right leg forward. Between your hands, the leg going to come. Okay, this is a posture Asana. Push your legs like this. Push down and up. Enjoy down. Your legs, your hip, everything gonna free. Okay, relax. Back to Adho Mukha. And opposite side, left leg forward. Slowly. Push like this, okay? Push like this. Okay, for beginners, they can't able to touch the floor. So you can use a bricks also. Okay, like this. Okay. They can use a bricks also. Like this. They can, or like this. Push. Relax. Enjoy down. and relax. One more time. Adho mukha and forward. Elbows must be straight. Don't bend your elbows straight. And down. Adho mukha and lift forward. And relax. Adho mukha. The next exercise is same as asana, but you want to bend your elbows down. Okay, like this. Okay, press your legs for the floor. Right? Press your legs for the floor. Movement. Movement, right? Enjoy the movement. Wow, it's awesome, right? Okay, relax. And adho mukha. Opposite side. Okay. Elbows down. Enjoy down. Just love it. Nice, right? Wow. Super. Relax. The next is Raja Kapotasana. I start from Adho mukha. Okay. Slowly Adho mukha, downward dog, and slowly right leg forward. Well, legs should be touched to pelvic region. Okay. Slowly forward. Stretch hands. Head down. Slowly walk hands, walk, walk, walk. Use the bricks. If you wish, you can use the bricks. Okay? Slowly up. If you are possible to do without the bricks, means you can, okay? But don't twist your leg like this. It should be straight. Okay? Enjoy down. See the posture. Love your posture. And slow down. Adho mukha. Left leg forward. Face your bricks. Sleep down. Push your hip. Stretch your legs. And walk, walk, walk. And slowly up. Again with our bricks now. Slowly up. Push your chest forward. And relax. Adho mukha. Next one is asana. Right leg forward. Okay. Share distance. Don't put a long wide distance. Just little much. Okay, you can put a wall support also even if you wish. Hands namaste sthiti. Slowly backward. Push. 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 And relax. Nice, right? Come on. Opposite side. Left forward. See the distance between your legs. Sit down. First you must sit down on your legs comfortably. Then hands backward. And push. Push. Move. Movement. And relax. Sitting Vajrasana. Slowly down Shashankrasana. Rest area. Next one is a Ustrasana. Okay, I want to tell something for you. If you can't able to do a Ustrasana, means write down in a link in a description. You can see that link and practice Ustrasana. Okay, let us do a Ustrasana. Okay, come on. Just push it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 and relax. Shashangasana. Relax. Next one is a Pachimuttasana. Come on. Straight your spine. Slowly lock. Interlock your fingers. Raise your chest forward and slowly down. Then lift your legs, shake your legs. And slowly down and relax. Next is Gangothri Yogin. Come on. I show you on the right side. Okay. See a position of the leg. It should be like a right mark. Okay. Slowly interlock your fingers. Slowly move. Raise and down. Press your shoulder equally. Enjoy. Belly sucking. Observe your inhalation and exhalation. Slowly up and relax. Opposite side. Raise your arms. Interlock your fingers and slowly down and up. Press your shoulder equally. Don't lift your shoulder. Slowly up and relax. Okay, and the last one is a Bhujangasana. Come on. Sleep it down. Slowly, hands beside your chest. Slowly up. Press your neck as much as possible. And slowly. One more time. Up. Don't hold your breath. And don't lift your stomach. And relax. Adho mukha. This is it, if opening for beginners, and please practice it daily and you will get a positive result for you. And if you like this video, click a like button, and if you have any doubts, write down in a comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click bell icon, then you don't miss any videos of Hamsa channel. Namaste. Bye bye.